So here we are with Telegram URL. We're going to check out their Telegram URL. So from here, usually they have it on either here, you'll see social, or at the bottom of the page. You see at the bottom of the page. So look at the trick. The trick is this. Scam ICOs, many scam, like let me say 95% of scam ICOs were hurriedly cooked up. You understand? So if their social media handles are missing, then there's a problem. Then if they don't have large following on a social media handle, that means they have not taken time to build a following. Then there's a problem. It's probably scam. You understand? So once you're looking for the social media handles and you don't see it, then there's a problem. Just abandon the mission. So the Telegram, we copy the Telegram link address. I think we should just go with what was already listed here. So this is the Telegram URL, and they have 70,000 people on their Telegram. 70,000. And then their Twitter has Twitter 6,000. Twitter 6000, and the URL for the Twitter is I copy link address. And then Discord, they don't have Discord. Facebook, I think they have Facebook. Look at their Facebook, copy link address. Then if I open it here, so Facebook, how many people do they have on their Facebook page? They have 326, 297 people, 297 people followers. That's quite poor. Medium URL. How many? What's their Medium URL? So we check out for Medium M, then we open it. So copy the URL, copy link address. Then we go here and paste it, Medium URL. How many subscribers do they have on their Medium? Why can't I see the follower count? I'm surprised. It's nice and active. So let me follow and see if I can see the follower count. Well, I still can't see the follower count, so I'm sorry guys. There's no way to list what we can't see, so we're just gonna leave it there. But their Medium is fairly active, so note that. And then their GitHub, well, as you can see, none of their source code is open source. They are not showing us what they are building. You get what I'm saying? Okay, they have Discord. Cool. They even have Slack. Copy. So the problem is that they don't have a GitHub URL. So we don't know whether they have even started their building what they are promising, all the App Store and whatever. It doesn't exist. And they're not even showing us the code they are writing towards it. Nothing. They're just selling tokens. I hope you guys understand where I'm driving at. If you have not even built anything, why are you selling tokens? How can we be sure that you have the potential to build what you're talking about? So this is Discord, and Discord wants me to sign in before they can show me the number of people on this page. That is a very wrong design. I should be able to see number of subscribers on this page. So I've just put the URL on ICO Predictor without the number, the count. So Reddit, they had Reddit, if I remember clearly. They have Reddit with some 117 subscribers. Reddit, I made it 118 by subscribing to them. So media mentions, you have to check out this. Like if an ICO is working hard, then they would have been listed by other media outfits, other ICO media outfits. So you want to check it out. Look at their media mentions. And one other thing you want to check out on ICOs is this media must have a link. Some scam ICOs will not link to this, because this link will show the part of this website where the page on each of these websites where it is listed that their ICO is listed or blogged about. You understand what I mean? So scam ICOs are not listed any other place. So what do? They put up all these pictures, but it's not a link. So first thing you check out is whether it's a link, and ICO Predictor helps you to check that by asking you to provide a link. So copy a link, on ICO predictor we'll put this. So I'll just put 3 links as media mentions, and I'm going to close this code. Social, we just did social, International Business Times, okay, Bitcoin News, Nasdaq. These guys are listed in Nasdaq, so let's confirm. So like I told you, this is how to do your own research. Click enter. Let's see if ALAX is listed on Nasdaq. There's an article about mobile gaming platform expands into Asia. Oh, makes sense. ALAX. Wow. So if they're listed on Nasdaq, to an extent, they're serious about what they're doing. So Nasdaq listing makes sense. So what you're looking for is not just random media mentions. We're looking for media mentions from big names. You understand what I mean? This is Bitcoinist. Okay, so we're looking for big names in the media mentions. So I'll put this, put a comma and this. So we're done. If we do 3 is okay. But generally what you're looking for is about 10 media mentions. If the ICO you're trying to rate is above 10 media mentions, then it makes sense. Then you start looking at the big names. How many big names can you find there? Alright. So I'll stop this video here. In the next video we'll look at the last, okay, the second to the last part, where we look at okay, I think it's the last part, the metrics, where we look at the token metrics. You understand? Their dates of their ICO and stuff. See you guys in the next video.